Greetings! So I wanted to show you what is on my easel this week. I'm working on a big snow scene here and I'm going to show it to you now. So this painting, I think it measures about 50 centimeters by 80 centimeters or something like that, and I'm working on this at the moment. So it's a snow scene that's inspired by a place called Dalefield near Queenstown in southern New Zealand. I'll put the photo up on the screen. And the way this painting came about was actually I painted a smaller version of it first of all, and we painted this live in my art school where I do a weekly live painting class, and I was really happy with this painting, the way it turned out. So this is just on an 11-inch by 14-inch linen canvas panel. And then even the way this painting started out was I didn't just get straight into the painting. It all started off with the sketching process. So I just started off with a few thumbnail sketches here, and then I did my final sketch, which is right here. So this is the blueprint for my painting. This helps me to create the composition and just get an overall feel for the tonal values, which are the lights and darks in the scene. So with this smaller painting here, I'm now using this as a reference for this larger painting here, which needs a lot of work. There's a lot of work to do to it. So I've blocked it in already. And yesterday I made a start on working on the clouds and just the mountains in the background. So I'm into the modeling stage. Now there's still a lot of work here to do. I haven't finished the sky and clouds yet. Certainly haven't finished the background mountains. I haven't even made a start on the trees or the foreground yet. So there's still a lot of work to do. But one of the things about painting a snow scene like this is if you really want to make some impact in the snow, for example, and really bring out some of those highlights, and this applies to any landscape painting, is to just keep the whole thing tonally darker to begin with. So you start off darker, and then that way you've got plenty of room to build up your lightest values. So certainly in the snow highlights here, it's pretty much going to be, for the highlights, a mix of titanium white with a little bit of yellow ochre to warm it up. So anyway, I'm filming this for YouTube as well, so I will, if this painting is a success, which I'm sure it will be, I'll make a painting tutorial video for this. And if you would like to learn how to paint this scene here from start to finish, come and join me at my art school. I'm giving away a 7-day free trial at the moment, so if you just want to try it out, come and join one of my weekly live painting classes. We'd love to see you there. Anyway, that's it from the studio for the moment. Let me know if you enjoy this video, and I was thinking about making some more of these kind of studio updates, what paintings I'm working on, to show you some of the things behind the scenes. So if that interests you as well, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.